Prosecco.
Oh, betul sih, teh wato.
Wine bar Tiro.
Discover Roma stop number 8 Barberini Square, Trevi Fountain, Barberini Palace, Quirinale Palace.
Asan dyan ang palace? Asan yung picture? Italia. Kaya ko. Si Kuya. Si Kuya. May nag-iintay din sila, no? Sa red naman sila.
Oh, pwede na yung bumaba, gano'n? Sakay tayo sa blue, gano'n?
Oo.
You want?
Now we're going to blue.
Yeah? Sa blue?
Diba 8 pa, di ba? Barbini. Ito na yung 8, Barbini. Tanungin natin yung brother mo. Ito na yung Barbini, no? 8. Asan yung picture kanina? Ano yung pinaka-last? Tingin ba yan? Tingnan mo yan. Ito yung 8 eh. Tingnan mo yung 8. Yan yung Barbini pinaka-last eh.
Oh.
Terminal na ang next nito.
So what's your, ano?
Yeah, we can explore. We can explore here. Okay, baba na tayo. Kasi pwede naman tayo sumakay ng bus eh. Yala sura. Shinahada. Yala habibi. Ang tagal ng batang to. Hello, assalamualaikum. Baga ni Hayaman Jayaman lam. Nagtaka sila ba't daw ako nag-Arabic. Gracias. Oh, hindi mo tanungin si Kuya, ay si Aki? So we can, tanungin mo, the brother. So we can ride in another bus, right? We can explore and then ride a bus.
Can I have the extra map? Map.
Ah. Okay, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias.
So what's next? Kabayan.
Kasi nakalagay naman dyan eh. May ticket ka, di ba? Ha? Ano, sakay tayo sa red? Sabi ganun. Sakay ka agad. Ito eh. Ito si ano. Okay, sige tanungin ko.
Here to go back to Termini Station, the last bus. Here to go back to Termini Station, the last bus is at 7:40.
7:40? O so meron pa tayong time.
The last bus from here to go back
This
to
is Bolivar
Termini
Green pala eh.
Station.
So 7:14. So there is one last bus.
Yes.
So we need to catch up that.
Okay,
Oh.
yes.
So 7:14. What is this? What does it mean 3 routes? Yeah.
3 roads means green line lang. Not
Three
other line.
stops. No, they're just no, the cheapest ticket is for 3 stops, but
Yeah.
you don't care about this. Just for information and but you already used your ticket for today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it just doesn't matter.
Ano, mag-terminal na lang tayo?
Tapos mag-jubli lama. Karpan jubli lama. Jubli lama karpan.
Bumalik. Asan tayo? Dito tayo, dito.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oo, kasi at least doon, baka maligaw tayo.
Huh? Oh, he wants to be sing. Only for green line, oh, we are here now.
Ba't na green color siya, Mar? Ano yan?